Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best lens cleaner is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone who owns a camera, smartphone, or even eyeglasses, as it ensures your lenses remain pristine, free from smudges, dust, and fingerprints that can degrade image quality or clarity. A clean lens is crucial for capturing sharp, vibrant photos and videos, and for maintaining the optimal performance of your optical devices, making the right lens cleaner not just a convenience, but a necessity for preserving your investment and achieving the best possible visual results in every shot you take. Number 5. 2 10-count pre-moistened lens wipes. Tired of smudges and streaks ruining your view? Our pre-moistened wipes offer a quick and easy solution for pristine lenses every time. Designed to be scratch-free, these wipes gently lift away dirt and oils without damaging your delicate lens surfaces. Enjoy a clear, unhindered perspective. Each wipe is sealed for maximum freshness and convenience. Perfect for on-the-go cleaning, ensuring you always have a fresh wipe ready when you need it. These are ideal not just for eyeglasses, but also for sunglasses, camera lenses, and various screens. Keep all your optical surfaces looking their best. With 210 wipes in this pack, you'll have a reliable supply for all your cleaning needs. Experience long-lasting clarity and convenience. What we like. These wipes offer ultimate convenience with individual packaging, perfect for on-the-go cleaning. They ensure a scratch-free and streak-free finish every time. If you prioritize portability and a spotless clean without hassle, these are an excellent choice for your daily needs. What people say. This lens cleaner is highly effective at removing smudges and fingerprints, leaving lenses crystal clear. The spray bottle design dispenses a fine mist that evenly coats the lens without dripping, ensuring a streak-free finish. It dries quickly and doesn't leave any residue, making it ideal for maintaining camera lenses, eyeglasses, and other optical surfaces. Number 4. EVEO Glasses Cleaner Spray 2-Pack. Tired of smudges and streaks on your glasses? Introducing the EVEO Glasses Cleaner Spray, your ultimate solution for crystal clear vision. Our advanced no-streaks technology ensures a perfectly clear finish every time. Say goodbye to frustrating residue and hello to pristine lenses. This kit comes complete with a high-quality microfiber cleaning cloth. It's designed to gently and effectively remove dirt and oils without scratching. Not just for eyeglasses. Use it on your phone screens, camera lenses, and other delicate surfaces. It provides a safe and effective clean for all your optics. Get double the cleaning power with our convenient 2-pack. Keep one at home and one on the go, so your lenses are always spotless. Experience the difference a truly clean lens can make. Enjoy sharper, brighter vision with EVEO Glasses Cleaner. What we like. This spray utilizes advanced no-streak technology for crystal clear vision. It comes with a high-quality microfiber cloth for a complete cleaning solution. If you're looking for a reliable spray that guarantees a perfect finish and appreciate the value of a 2-pack, this is the one for you. What people say. It cleans my lenses very well and leaves no streaks. The spray bottle is easy to use and dispenses the right amount of cleaner. It works on all my lenses, including my glasses, sunglasses, and camera lenses. Number 3. Care Touch Microfiber Eyeglass Cleaning Cloth, 12-pack. Tired of smudges and streaks on your glasses? Our cleaning cloths effectively remove dirt and dust, leaving lenses perfectly clear every time. These cloths are gentle on all types of lenses, whether coated or non-coated. Enjoy a safe and chemical-free cleaning solution for your eyeglasses. Crafted from elite microfiber, they trap particles effectively for a thorough clean. You won't find any lint, dirt, or residue left behind. Each cloth is individually wrapped and perfectly sized for your pocket or bag. They are ideal for keeping your eyewear clean at home, work, or on the go. These versatile cloths aren't just for eyeglasses. Use them to clean your phone, tablet, camera lenses, and other screens for a spotless finish. Maintain the pristine condition of your delicate surfaces. These cloths are designed to be scratch-free and can be reused, making them an eco-friendly choice. What we like. These cloths are made from premium microfiber, designed to be lint-free and safe for all lens coatings. They are reusable, offering an eco-friendly cleaning solution. If you prefer a reusable option that is gentle on your delicate lenses and want to reduce waste, these cloths are a fantastic sustainable choice. What people say. This lens cleaner is very effective at removing smudges and fingerprints from my camera lenses. The spray bottle design makes it easy to apply the cleaner evenly without overspray. It dries quickly and leaves no streaks, ensuring crystal clear vision. Number 2. MagicFiber Glasses Cleaner Kit. Tired of smudges and streaks ruining your view? Introducing a revolutionary way to keep all your lenses spotless. Experience unparalleled clarity with every use. This comprehensive kit is designed to tackle dirt and grime on any lens. From eyeglasses to screens, it's your go-to solution for a pristine finish. Keep all your devices looking their best. Our advanced formula effortlessly cuts through oils and fingerprints. Paired with our ultra-soft microfiber cloths, it ensures a scratch-free shine every time. Achieve a perfect clean without any hassle. Use it on your eyeglasses, sunglasses, phone screens, camera lenses, and even your TV. This versatile cleaner is safe and effective for all your electronic and optical needs. Enjoy a clearer world. Say goodbye to frustrating streaks and hello to a brilliant shine. Our kit delivers a flawless finish, making your world look sharper and brighter. Rediscover the true colors of your devices. The compact design makes it easy to carry wherever you go. Keep a bottle and cloth handy for quick touch-ups anytime, anywhere. Maintain perfect clarity on the move. What we like. This kit provides both a powerful cleaning spray and effective microfiber cloths for a comprehensive cleaning experience. It's designed for a wide range of devices, from glasses to screens. If you want a complete, all-in-one solution for all your electronic and optical devices and appreciate a good value, this kit is ideal. What people say. This lens cleaner is very effective at removing smudges and fingerprints from camera lenses. The spray bottle design allows for easy and precise application, ensuring you don't waste product. It dries quickly without leaving any streaks or residue, providing a crystal clear view. Number 1. Zeiss Lens Wipes, 220 count. Experience unparalleled clarity with our premium lens wipes. Designed for a streak-free shine, they ensure your vision is always at its best. Our formula is tough on smudges but gentle on all your delicate lenses. Enjoy a perfect clean without any worry of damage. Each wipe is individually packaged for ultimate convenience. Keep them in your pocket, bag, or car for quick cleaning on the go. This generous 220 count pack ensures you're always prepared. Get exceptional value and keep your lenses pristine for longer. From eyeglasses to camera lenses, trust the brand that professionals rely on. Achieve optical perfection with every use. What we like. With a generous count, these wipes ensure you always have a clean on hand. They are from a reputable brand known for effective lens care. If you're a frequent user of lens wipes and want a dependable, high-quantity option from a trusted name, these are a solid choice for consistent clarity. What people say. This lens cleaner is very effective at removing smudges and fingerprints from my camera lenses, leaving them crystal clear. The spray bottle design is convenient and dispenses the right amount of cleaner without overspray, making it easy to use. It dries quickly without leaving any streaks or residue, which is essential for maintaining the quality of my optical equipment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.